In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from OKX to Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully move your assets to a secure wallet for easier management and access. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application. Once the app is launched, locate and tap on the coin you wish to transfer, such as USDT, ETH, or BTC. After selecting the coin, find and tap the Receive option. This action will display your wallet address, which you will need for the next steps. It is essential to copy this wallet address to ensure that you paste the correct information later. Before moving forward, check the network name that is displayed alongside your wallet address. This detail is very important because each cryptocurrency may operate on different networks. For instance, USDT can exist on TRC20, BEP20, or BP20 networks. Similarly, ETH operates on the ERC20 network and TRX uses the TRC20 network. Take a moment to note the network type as this information will be crucial for the next steps. Next, open the OKX application or website. After logging in, navigate to the Asset section and select Withdraw. In this section, choose the same cryptocurrency that you previously selected in Trust Wallet, for example, USDT. This ensures that you are withdrawing the correct asset. Now, paste the wallet address that you copied from Trust Wallet into the designated field on the OKX withdrawal screen. It is critical to select the exact same network that you noted earlier. If Trust Wallet shows USDT as TRC20, make sure to choose TRC20 on OKX as well. Selecting the wrong network can result in the permanent loss of your funds, so double check this information before continuing. After confirming the address and network, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Take a moment to review the details, including the address, network, and any applicable fees. Once everything is confirmed to be accurate, tap the Confirm Withdraw button. You will then be prompted to enter an email code along with your two-factor authentication or password for security purposes. Finally, after you've completed the withdrawal process, wait for the transaction to finalize. The estimated time for completion varies by network. TRC20 and BBP20 typically take around 1 to 3 minutes, while ERC20 may take between 3 to 10 minutes. After the waiting period, open your Trust Wallet and you should see your balance reflecting the transferred amount.